Presiden kaseng-seng percaya Voice of the People's Party (VPP) ba Ardan Miller bersaimat loong bag Sorkar jela lada kadan ke Cingsukia na bentaban petrikam ya ke inalan permit lada yang petrikam klaim da mencuri ka hayeng darbar soan ke jela habakran nelor kini kamat berkinong sok kubur hading ke cingelang pajba benengkong ka VPP haka kharkanai direk melalui yang arcar puai uba Ardan loong bag mencuri Resolution ILP hayeng darbar soan kadai tang cek persyang ban bret ik jingkitkhlieh syak Sorkar India.
When it comes to the issue of ILP, we are very clear. We have been raising this issue, and personally I have been raising this issue when I was an MLA, and it remains an issue with us. We will definitely include this issue in the party agendas. If the state government really sincere about implementing ILP in the state, it could have done it without passing a resolution in the assembly. So passing the resolution in the assembly is only an attempt to shake the responsibility and shift the responsibility to the center, which is not the right way and proper way to do it.